Morning everyone, Carol here at Oak House Journals, and another quick subscriber giveaway for you. This week I thought I would include 3 kits. So same as previously, please be a subscriber to my channel. This is the kind of rules to enter, so please be a subscriber to my channel and leave me a comment to this video, not to any other, just this one, because on the 20th of March I will do a random pick from the comments for 3 winners. So very quickly, just to go through what we've got. First off, this one is, as you can see, a Victorian ribbon designs kit. This is a full kit. This is one that I've had that I've not used, although I've had it for a good few years. So inside the packet you will get cotton fabric, a backing fabric, ribbon, pure silk embroidery threads, needle, presentation card with envelope and instructions, and the finished design is 104mm by 78mm, and it's a Madeira kit. So everything is tucked away inside there that is detailed on the outside. So there's your silk threads, your ribbons, your backing, your fabric to work on, your backing fabric, and your envelope and presentation card. So that is a full complete kit. So that will be one prize. Pop it all back in there. I will make sure it's all back in neatly before it goes out. So that's that one. The second one is another one of these Dale designs, and this time it's a Worcestershire Cottage. It's just the chart, it's not the full kit. I can't remember. Yes, this one is petit point, so it's half cross stitch. It's not full counted cross stitch, it's half cross stitch. So you get your instructions, you get the chart, and you get details of what DMC threads you need to have for this, to make up this little cottage. And that's the chart. If you find, what I always used to do in the past is I always used to photocopy and enlarge sections of my chart if I found them difficult or too small to work on. Here is the instruction sheet for inside, and here is your list of DMC threads. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 skeins of thread you will need if you don't have those colours already in your stash. But it tells you how to do it, and I have to say these little petit point kits were absolutely a joy to do, I have to say. You've heard me talk about these in the past, and they really do make up such pretty little pictures. So that's for another winner. And this one is, oh, and I should have got it out. This is for a needle case. Just one second. Oh my goodness, was the camera shaking? Fat girl running, I tell you. This is my needle case, or one of my needle cases, and this kit does this design. So you've got the chart for that design, and that's what it looks like on the back. But again, it's just the chart and the instructions for making it up. It's not actually the threads and the fabric, but they're easy enough to buy. So there we go, there's your instructions, there's the designs or the chart, and it tells you what whether you need to use 1 thread or 2 there. And you've got the details on here of where it came from. There we go, so that if you actually want the specific threads, you can always get in touch with them and ask what threads they've used, or what colours they used, and buy them from them if you want to do that. So that is just the chart, as I say, and the instructions for making up the needle case. It's not all the gubbings. So there we go, everybody. That's what I'm going to be doing the draw for. I've put that upside down. That's what the draw is going to be for this week. And as I say, I will be doing the draw on the 20th of March next. So thank you so much, everybody, for entering, and have a great weekend. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.